I wanna buy some radio ad time. Whoa. So this is Radioland, huh? The infinite turtle, the waves through the ether fuzz roll on forever. Close that. Hi, I know what you're thinking. This is weird, huh? But I can handle it. You're my fave. Me and Bubba, my little brother, we listen to you every night. Music is my life. You know, embarrassed to phone in my request. It's too disembodied, you know. But now that we're here in flesh and blood, I could maybe make a request and it'd still count, huh? Well, what about Iron Butterfly? You know, like In a Vida de Gata, baby. Oh, it's heavy. You know, I've never been to a radio station before. Do you think you could? Oh, boy, okay, yeah, sure.
Okay, your tour. Here's your tour. Here's your tour. Here's a lamp.
Yeah, lamp.
Here's typewriter.
Ooh.
Rubber man.
Rubber man, I like him.
Armadillo.
Oh.
Here's Mr. Shark.
Oh.
Lamp.
Oh.
And there's the exit sign. Tour's over.
E-X-I-T. Exit. Oh, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Hey, what about my request? That lefty request record that you honked out today? I love that. Let's see. What was it anyway? The Rambo 3 soundtrack? Autograph it to a far out fan. What's in here?
Record vault.
Oh, where you keep the golden oldies and maybe the new music's in there. Ow, he did it, my plate. Oh, my brain is burning. Non-flashback. Oh. Ow! Leatherface, you bitch! Oh, look what you did to my Sonny Bono wig do! Oh, God damn, I can't believe it! You're gonna have to buy me a new plate cover! You're gonna have to buy me a new plate cover, Leatherface! Oh, he's gonna send me back to the VA hospital with a dent in my plate! Well, at least you didn't mess me up. Dog wheel hunt! Get that bitch, Leatherface! Get that bitch! Dog wheel hunt! Humble pie! Hurry up, Leatherface! Hurry up! Get that bitch! Ring, 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 ring! Music is my life! Hey, lick my plate, you dog dick! Get on! Incoming mail! Get her, Bubba? Did you get that bitch? Look what you did to my plate, you bitch! You got her? Did you get her good? Slap me fire. I got one too. A bonus body. Whoa. Ooh. Giddy up. Peel that pig and slice him thick. That's my sweet meat. You gotta run for that money now. Chase that dollar. Gotta go fast to catch it.
You dumb baboons are too dumb. Maybe crack the main butane tank. It's up there. Go look at it.
It's what the public wants.
I don't want to hear that again.
It's Nomland.
Ooh.
Nomland. Fire in the hole. Woo. Nomland.
Shut up. Told you to go. Some kind of crazy booger just skits through here.
Now, booger? How big? Big, crazy booger. That's all but, bro. DJ, my fave. Bubba's been playing with her. Bubba likes her. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Burn her like a rat.
Finish her.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her now.
Burn her like a rat. Rat. Burn her like a rat.
Dirk, he was the one and only. Drove Grandpa crazy seeing things done like. No, that's all right. That's all right. It'd be over soon. Get the hammer. The crunch.
Right, let's get on with it. Bingo!
Get that tub.
No, somebody help me! Oh, no!
Here comes the judge! Here comes the judge! Come on, Grandpa, you're the best! Get it?
The old fresher game, huh?
Come, you hog bitch! Ow. Look! It's like death eating a cracker, isn't it? Huh? Huh? No! Get away from her! Get away! Yeah! Don't touch her! No! Grandma! Grandma! You